Let's walk through creating a global form from the library. Start by clicking the library icon in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, then select Forms. Click the Add Form button and name your form. We'll be naming ours Inspection of Works. You'll be taken into the form builder. If this is your first time creating a form, or if you would like best practice tips, check out the Help Center articles. If you are already viewing a completed form, you can toggle between views to see how the form will look from an operative's perspective. We'll start creating a form by clicking Get Started. If you are editing an existing form, you will need to click the Edit button in the top right. The first thing we'll do is add a section. Sections are used to organize a form and make it easier to use on-site for your operatives. Into this section, we can start adding question and evidencing field types for your operatives to fill out. You can do this in two ways, either by clicking the Add button in the section or via the button in the left-hand corner of the screen. There are different field types to accommodate a range of questions and the type of data entry required. The Yes/No field type makes it quicker for your operatives to answer pre-described conditions. For example, this field could be used for quick answers about parts that need replacing on a job. Another field type you could use is Single and Multi-Select. This will allow you to pre-fill out answers to minimize human error. Next, we'll look at the sidebar on the right-hand side. This is where all your settings and extra features live. Here, you also type in your names, questions, and answers for the different field types. With every field type added, you can enhance it with further details and settings, helping your operatives be more efficient on-site and make sure they are inputting the right data, whether this is by turning on required field or remembering the previous entry. Through the settings, you can also control which information is brought in to help with filtering and reporting. Within the Advanced section, you can choose whether you would like a field type to show within the Job Sheets table and if you want to use it as an additional filter. Below these options is the Show in PDF report toggle. It is turned on by default, but you can switch it off depending on your client's requirements, or choose the Only Show when field has been filled in option. This will prevent blank gaps showing on your PDF reports if a field hasn't been filled out by an operative. Once you are happy with your form, click the Save and Publish button. This form is now available to use by operatives and can be added to projects and templates. One thing to note is that any changes to this form will be available for all future projects and will need to be re-added to an ongoing project so that operatives will be able to see the updated version.